2019 Silverado wheel brake replacement. So let's put it in service mode. We start the vehicle. We're gonna do it without the skin tool. Alright. And we're gonna hit the parking brake button and push the brake pedal at the same time and hold it for 15 seconds. There we go. Good. It is in service mode right now. Let's shut the vehicle off and start doing the brakes. Well, we're back in the truck here. We're going to start it. Alright, service brake. There you go. New part detected. Let's reset it. Say yes. Okay, and we're going to reset the parking brake to get it out of service mode. You'll hit the brake pedal and push the parking brake button here. You're gonna hear the parking brake actuated. There it is. It's good now. Let's get our service mode. Let's try to put it in service mode again. Put the parking brake on. There it is, parking brake set. Get it up. Take off the parking brake. Parking brake release. And that's how you do it, guys, to get it out of in and out service mode to service the wheel brakes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.